Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on the data saver on TikTok to reduce bandwidth usage and internet usage consumption on your TikTok app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the TikTok app and select your profile icon in the bottom right. Then you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down underneath Cache and Mobile and select Data Saver. So this will reduce your data consumption when using mobile data. Videos may be at a lower resolution or take longer to load. This won't apply when you are on Wi-Fi. Go ahead and toggle that to the on position to turn that on. Otherwise, you can turn it off. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.